Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with a Michael's haul, and this time I'm bringing back my monthly segment. It's a $20 challenge. Use your $20 and buy any of your crafting needs, and then do a project share in your video to show us what you do with the supplies you purchase. So today I found the Santa Fe Garden 48 sheet paper pad. It's a hot buy. Let's have a look through and see what it looks like. I've always wanted to create my own traveler's notebook insert. The paper pad you saw earlier, I'm planning to prepare my spring travel notebook insert, more like a junk journal style. So here's a sample of one that I purchased together with a traveler's notebook at Michael's from Recollections. Decided to get some of these stock papers. They were on sale, 3 for $10. So super deal. You have 50 sheets. And this is the 65-pound one, and I have the craft, and we also have plain white, and we have our cream. So this will be fun to create our inserts. The final item I purchased for my $20 challenge is this Tim Holtz botanical themed 83-piece ephemera pack. I'm excited to show you what's in here. I used my 40% off discount from this one so that I could go under 20. So let's have a look and see. So here it is, guys, a traveler's notebook that I put together using our craft paper. It has a Southwest spring kind of feel junk journal theme to it, using the Santa Fe Garden Recollections and Tim Holtz ephemera. Let's take a quick look. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this Michael's Mini Haul $20 challenge and project share. If you'd like to see more of these types of videos, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below, like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time.